This is a video by Richmond. Today we're working on a Saturn S series, and what we're doing today will pertain to the 98 to the 02, and what we're doing is we're adjusting the range switch on the automatic transmission. First thing we want to do is to remove the air duct to the throttle body. It will give us access to the area in the back where the range switch is located. And once we remove that, we want to find the switch, which is right here. And what we're going to do is to remove this electrical connector from this piece right here, and this is where we're going to put our multimeter to adjust the switch. Now we're going to set our multimeter on tone, continuity, and we're going to clip one lead to one terminal here. Make sure that those connections are clean. They can get dirty down there. And the other lead of the multimeter to the other spade off that switch. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to shift the shifter into drive, and we should hear a tone. And if we don't, well, then we need to adjust the switch. She's in drive, and you can probably hear the tone on the meter saying that we have continuity. So this switch is adjusted properly. Now I'm going to show you how to adjust the switch if you don't get tone when she's in drive on that switch. Now, to adjust that switch, we have to loosen these two 13mm headed bolts down here. One right here, that one right there, and on the other side of the switch you'll see another mounting bolt right there, and we need to loosen those now. Now we have the mounting bolts loose, we have the shifter in drive, and you can see we have the multimeter still connected to the switch. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to rotate the switch towards the engine. And when we hear the tone of the meter, we want to stop right there and tighten our bolts. Here we go. All right, we want to go very slowly with our switch. Right there. Okay. Now tighten the bolts. Now after you tighten the bolts, you want to run the shifter through its cycle and make sure that when it goes back into drive, it still has continuity. So I'm going to do that now. I ran it through the gears, and you can see that drive still has continuity, so that's it. She's all adjusted. Alright, now I'm going to cycle through the gears and show you what it looks like. Right now she's in park right now, and you can see we have no continuity through the switch. Reverse, neutral, drive, and back to park. So what you saw was you had no continuity in park and neutral, and in drive the switch had continuity. So that's all there is to adjusting your range switch on your Saturn S series.